Hi family, yes, I'm so excited to share with us this Milky donut recipe. Please guys, watch this video to the end and see how I got this Milky donut. It's so tasty and so nice. Getting our ingredients ready, we have about 850 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and this is half cup of milk, full cream milk, half cup of sugar, and I have 80 grams of butter. Also, I have 2 big eggs. You can add any quantity of your choice. Here I have warm water, about 300 mils of warm water. Okay, I have to put my flour to the bowl and start putting all the ingredients together. Here is the dry yeast, add the sugar, add the milk, and mix everything. This is the dry ingredients that I'm mixing right now. Please guys, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook. Okay, going ahead, I just added a little pinch of salt, and this is nutmeg. I'm using a little quantity, I'm not using everything. So this is the quantity I kind of grated out, and I'll go ahead and add the eggs. After adding the eggs, I mix it again before going ahead to add the water. When adding the water, you have to be careful. If you're not too comfortable with the quantity of water, you're not too sure of the quantity to use, you just have to add it bit by bit and mix it so that your dough doesn't turn out so sticky. Okay, so after I mix it, I now transfer it to my work surface, and I'm going to coat it with flour so it doesn't kind of get all sticky. The flour will help it to, help you to work with it. This is time to make the dough proper. And when I transfer it, I'm going to add the butter and I'll start mixing everything together with my hands. Yeah. Depending on the quality of your flour, you need to add more flour so that it doesn't get too sticky. Like here, I noticed that it was still a bit too sticky, so I needed to add more flour, and that is exactly what I did. And now the consistency, the texture is very perfect now, not too hard and not too sticky. Okay, so you need it until, like, when you stretch it, it doesn't break off easily. That is when you know that your dough is ready. So right now our dough is ready, and it's time to mold it. It's time to mold the donuts, and that is actually where the main work is. It's really not so easy to do, but I tried different methods, and it's actually, I found out that it's easier doing it on my hands. Like I'm going to show you right now. Just wrap it like as if you want to wrap fufu. Just wrap it on my hands round, and it's easier for me that way. So I mold them and I keep making sure that I get a smooth round texture. Just make sure it's round, yeah, so that your donut will come out, the shape will come out fine. All right, and you also don't have to make it too big because you're going to cover it and let it to kind of rise. The size is going to double. Here I just covered it with nylon, leave it for 45 minutes, and here it is. It is ready to fry. All right, and I'm going to transfer it into the frying pan, into the heated oil. Don't let your oil to be too hot so it doesn't get brown too much, or maybe you start burning. Just heat it the oil and add the dough. Use a stick or a fork and fry it. Just turn it intermittently. When it's already brown on both sides, you know that it is ready. The dough is done both inside and outside, and you take it out, and that's how I'm going to do it, and that's how I did it for the rest of the donuts. I fried everything in a hot oil, but make sure it is not too hot. Okay, and when I'm taking it out from the hot oil, I put it directly, like kind of a pepper, kitchen pepper, so that it soak the oil a bit. All right guys, so this is the second set I'm frying. So when your dough has proofed and you want to transfer it to the frying pan, remember not to carry it with your hands. Yeah, just carry it with the pepper so you don't disrupt the shape of your donut. Alright, so here our donuts are ready. And just as brown as I want it, I'm going to start cutting it with milk. if you're doing this coating, make sure that the donuts are still very warm, not hot. It has to be warm so that the milk can stick. Okay, I have my powdered milk, my full cream milk, warm. With the warm donut, I'm just going to wrap it around and it gets stick to the skin of the donut. Yeah, and that's how I'm going to do for the rest of the donuts. Coat it with the milk as much as you want it. Yes, just play with it. Guys, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please like this video, drop a lovely comment, tell me where you're watching from, and also share. Yes, these are viral Milky donuts. Please, let's share it. Let's share this video. Everybody needs to see this recipe. Okay, so after I've wrapped everything, coated the donut, warm donut with enough quantity of milk, the way as I want it, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my milk filling. Okay, but then I'm going to transfer the coated milk donut first into the pack, and inside this pack is where I'm going to be adding the milk filling. Okay, just still keep watching and see how I'm going to prepare my special milk filling. This method is just a bomb. Trust me, it's very nice. Okay, now to prepare my milk filling, I have a powdered milk, just quantity you feel will be enough, and I'm going to be adding evaporated milk. The evaporated milk is the only liquid I'm adding to this powdered milk. You can go ahead and add butter. I actually added butter later on and it really came out nice, trust me. So this is my milk filling. This is just powdered milk and evaporated milk, and you can add butter. It still gives it a very super delicious taste. So with the base of my spoon, I'm going to create an opening rather in my donut, at the center of my donut. That's where I'm going to be filling the milk. I'm using spoon because the base is kind of narrow, so you can as well use stick to create the opening. So with that, I'm going to be filling up my milk. Make sure it gets to the gets down, and when you're opening it, be careful so you don't have to pierce it from the other side. Okay, all right, so I just have to fill it up, the milk. Hey guys, please remember to give this video a like, drop a lovely comment, follow my page on Facebook, Precious Cooks, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Precious Cook, and here our Milky donuts are ready, looking so yummy. Do you want some? Do you want me to send some to you? Oh my god, it's actually nice. It came out really nice, even better than I expected. Okay, let's try. Let's open it and see how the inside looks like. And here we go. Oh, it's so milky and so fluffy. Thank you for watching.